Hey y'all, it's day 43 of my 100-day challenge. And today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that a new homeowner can save money because I'm telling you, those monthly expenses can add up and add up quickly. Now, this is whether you just close on your home or you're preparing to buy in the future. These tips can help you hold on to more of your hard earned money, right? So, tip number one, don't rush to fill every room. You have time. And I get it. You're excited, but give yourself time to live in the home. Feel it out. But it's okay. Go ahead and prioritize what's necessary. Your bedroom, the kitchen, the daily use spaces. You can go ahead and handle those. But that new dining room that you've been eyeing on Pinterest? It can wait and your wallet will thank you. Tip number two, get to know your utility habits early. Now that you're responsible for the water, the gas, the electric, internet, all of that, be mindful. Use smart thermostats, energy efficient light bulbs, and watch those long showers because you're going to quickly learn what drives your bills up and you're going to make adjustments. Tip number three, plan for home maintenance, not just your decor. Saving a little bit every month for small repairs or annual upkeeps will save you big time. Even something like cleaning out gutters, sealing drafty doors can protect your investments. Owning a home is definitely a blessing, but also a responsibility, and it doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, patience, and budgeting, you can enjoy your home and keep your finances intact. So if you have any questions or you want to know more first time buyer tips, click the link in my bio and schedule your one-on-one with me. So that's all I got for y'all today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 44. Smile, be a blessing today. It's your favorite realtor, Shanda McRae.